Good morning. As you see, I'm coming to you in the dark. Got a big plant sale today. So, Alcovy Trestle, not Alcovy Trestle, Alcovy Methodist Church, Doug's Nursery, my brother. We got a big plant sale over there from 8 to 4. Hope you come out and see it. We got a lot of wonderful plants. Thought about doing the bell ring from there this morning. I'll probably post a video this morning, walk around showing the flowers, but I probably got too much to say. It'll probably make you cry. Relay last night was very successful. It was very successful. You know, had some bumps in the road, had some hiccups, but it was very successful. They honored Sarah with so well. They started an award in her name, the Spirit of Relay, and they're gonna give a local art to the winner every year. Of course, I was the first one to get the award. And also, and it was wonderful. There were so many signs yesterday and all about the day. First off, went to Waffle House, got a bowl of grits. It was about 2:30. We used to do that when we walked all night. The biggest thing is the rain held off till we got home. Let me tell you, that was a blessing. But the reason why we're here today is for the bell ring birthday. We got Tanya Havens that's out at the breach. If you've never been to the breach, you need to go out there. They got all kinds of stuff in that building. They do wonderful work with the homeless people, so if you ever want to donate something, donate out there. Then we got Kathy Skinner, Woodley, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your Saturday. And hey, Miss Lil, everybody have a wonderful day. And here's a bell ring. Bye, come buy us a plant.